Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. And my name is Tracy. Today I'll be doing my pedicure for Valentine's, and I'm getting rid of these green colors that I had on, and getting ready to prep my toenails for the red. So I'm just using 100% acetone in order to take off the polish, and I hate how it looks, that green, but I'll try to get rid of it as best as possible. I'm doing a non-soak dry pedicure, but if you were to soak your feet, you would really have an issue with all of that. So I'm just pushing back my cuticles with the Orly cuticle pusher, and it also cleans the cuticle as well. Get all off the green that I couldn't get off because it's in the corners of my toenails. So I didn't know what I wanted to do. I had on red for Christmas, and I'm like, do I want red again? But why not, you know? So um my I don't know what it was that I used on my, oh, I know what it was. I had done like a base coat and like the powder, not like a dip powder, but I kind of like powder it, and when I went to take it off, it kind of damaged my toenail. So it's kind of growing out, but until then my feet are like so horrible. Like I didn't used to have horrible looking feet like in this process, but anyways, and again, it'll help a lot too if I were to soak my toes, and which I do have a soaker, but I just not want to do that right now. So I'm just cleaning up. I don't have ingrown toenails issue. They don't hurt or anything, but lately they've been like hiding in my skin, but they don't hurt. So I think it's just the fact that my toenails are extra thin right now, and until I get them, like, you can see the difference between the cuticle area and the free edge, that it is a little bit thinner towards the free edge. So anyways, I'm just trying to clean out the corners so that it can look pretty decent. So what do you guys plan on doing for Valentine's? February 12th will be what, 21 years since I met my husband. We went to, actually, my cousin and I went to a Valentine's Day dance at a Belizean function, and I met my husband there. We dated and got married October 2002. So 2000 is when we actually met, and now it's 2021, and it's going to be 21 years since we've actually known each other. That is so crazy. So are you guys, with the quarantine and everything, what do you guys plan on doing? If you are barely meeting someone and dating them, do you guys see each other? Where do you guys go? Do you guys gonna just keep it at home? I know things are opening up right now to a certain extent, so I still can't really. I think they're allowing dining. I'm not sure, but I'm still, like, our anniversary passed in October, and we didn't celebrate it because I wasn't feeling well, and so February 12th is coming around the corner, and I'm feeling a lot better, but still, dealing with some issue. But anyways, I'm going to be putting on my base coat that I got from Rite Aid. And I did a design on here, but I just don't like it. So I'm going to end up taking it off, just warning you right now. So, and you see my nails right there. I am ready to take those off in order to do like some red nails for Valentine. So, hey guys, if you haven't already, please take this time to subscribe. It helps. And anyways, thanks for that. And so I'll be using Orly in order to do my red. And I love this color. It has like a little, I have a red polish that has like a lot of glitter in there. But these have, like, if you look at it, you could tell, like, hey, it's that glitter, but you really have to look close to see it. But I like that you don't have to put on a lot of coat for it to just 2 coats I put on. So we'll and then we'll seal it with the Orly top coat. I have a Orly bonder. It's for like a base coat, but I don't know if it's me or if that's when my toes start going blah. But anyways, I'll try them again and see, because I love Orly products. I love their builder. I love everything of Orly, guys. The builder was the first time I ever learned about builders was through Orly when we went to their location over here in the valley, and they gave us a gift bag, and they taught us about that. I fell in love with it. I said, that's what I want to do from here. I want to do nails. It's just Orly builder in a bottle, because I can't handle the smell after acrylic, and it was like making me sick. So I knew I had to find another way. So, but anyways, then a Prey came out, and then Kara Sky came out with her jelly tips, and I fell in love with those. So actually, that's what I have on my nails right now is the Prey system. So, but yeah, I'm just going to be doing my toes, and tell me what color you guys would like next. So again, I don't know if I'm gonna eat any chocolate or what. There's a lot of things I can't eat right now, and I've kind of been craving a lot of chocolate. But we'll see. We'll see what happens when the time comes. Whatever it is, I hope you guys enjoy yourself and be safe and wear your mask. So, and anyways, I have my little container here. I'm wanting to find a gold heart. First of all, I don't really like gold. So when I did that, I was like, let's try it. It's not always about what you like. So I found a larger gold heart and a smaller gold heart, and I think that would go real better on like long nails than it would on my little short stumpy toenails. So I put them on. I put the bigger one on, and then I was putting the smaller one in the middle. And maybe, I don't know. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I end up taking it off. Maybe I shouldn't. I ended up putting rhinestone around the edge. Maybe I shouldn't have. But so I decided to eventually take it off. But you'll see, you'll see what I did. So anyways, right now it is kind of cold, but not like New York. Oh my gosh, I saw some pictures of New York with the snow, and it's just so crazy. Like, what happens when it snows that bad? Do you guys go to, I mean, I know things are hard right now. It took a lot of people not work in terms of being quarantined, but in the past, like when it snows like this, do you guys stay home, and do you guys still get paid for staying home? I mean, like, what happens? But a friend just shared an image of New York, and it's like beautiful, but I don't know how they like it. I love the snow, but I love the snow because we're in California. We don't really get to deal with the snow, but we could go to Big Bear. We could go like to Palmdale, Lancaster, and still get snow. So, but if you don't want snow, you get back to your location and it's just cold. So at least we get to run away from the snow, or we don't have to be in the snow. We could, if we want to, like go to the cabins or something like that. But it's not like we wake up and we see snow outside the windows. Like if certain part of the mountain while driving, you will see the snow from far away, but it's just like on a tip. So, but at least it's an option we can do. So anyways, I ended up taking that off, and this is what I ended up with. Those are bigger rhinestone and 3 little ones on the side. And I ended up liking this one better. But anyways, guys, what color would you like next? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't leave without subscribing. Bye bye now. Thanks. And this again, Tracy from My Life on a Hill. Take care.